Okay,
Yours.
okay, welcome to the next episode.
Hello, welcome to episode 3 of.
uh, the Mining Dead hardcore.
My name is Valzon,
And my name
and
is
I'm
Benny,
playing as Roy.
and I'm playing as Andre 5. He
If
lost a
I,
lot of numbers.
I'm turning on. I'm enabling PvP, bro. It, I.
You gave me all the guns.
Wait, maybe I made a mistake. There's like 35 crosses all over again. You can. Hey, I want to like to give a personal shout out to Catblock who found a rare crate.
Yeah, big shout out.
Put their YouTube in the description, please.
It might
Is
be
that
out
a
of the
person?
budget. No, that's a zombie type. It's like a little mini boss zombie.
Oh, let's go kill it.
Let's get onto the stuff.
Ow! You're meanie, Katini.
Where is a way up? Damn.
Here. Maybe
Oh,
we're the assholes.
oh, there's a bandit guy. I just clapped him. Holy shit.
I mean, I was still. What does being a bandit mean, bruh? Oh wait, is that like a bandit like a guy, or is there like a creature called the bandit?
There's like there's a humanoid
Oh,
non-player character called the Bandit. It was level 2.
oh.
Sometimes with boats, like the loot tier gets better if you go like all the way to the back of the boat, I think. Or it might honestly just be one boat.
What's the goal for this hardcore?
To win.
Okay. Where's for me?
Yeah, this boat's kind of a dud, but now we can actually go up onto like bridges and stuff from here, so
Wait, is this a merry-go-round? Let's get on the merry-go-round. Oh, I got a pink. Who's pinging me at this time of day? Dude, I am not joining crack right now. Wow, what if we kiss at the Ferris wheel?
what if we don't? I just pwned you.
Telling myself. Oh, I found boots, finally. We keep tweaking out that 2CB, huh?
Actually, take the pouch in here. You can like
This-
put stuff in it.
Ooh,
So that might help with your storage issues.
thank you. Thanks so much for playing my game. What's going on in the chat, bro?
I don't know. I never worry about the chat. It's always stupid.
I'm infected.
Are you?
Yeah.
I have an antibiotic.
Wait. Oh. Well, it's not looking good.
I have an antibiotic for you.
Thank you, Val.
Epic.
Here, eat my potatoes. Stop shooting! Stop! Stop the violence!
But violence is fun. You don't want to make me not have fun, do you?
I'm running the Twitter longer as I speak.
I just recoiled myself off. Yeah,
Wait, you can recoil?
yeah, check it.
That's sick.
It is.
You wanna go on the Warship now?
Yeah.
Imagine like we go back to the car and we find out like someone just stole it.
Oh yeah, I could have picked the car back up. I should have done that. Hop on.
I am the captain of the ship.
Epic.
You listen to me.
Val equals easy? No.
I hate you, bro.
I'm not easy.
Why'd you catch a stray, bro?
Chevalier safe zone. It's Val zone, not safe zone. Idiot. Idiot.
youtube.com/val/user/valzone. Study a killer. I park a son. The very first time I shopping a drink. Val,
Yeah.
you remember how I was thinking about our car might have been hijacked? I'm at the end of the ship and something's missing.
The way it renders is kind of weird, so it might not be
Okay.
loaded.
Okay. I'm just saying, like, I could, like, I see the area we parked, and I don't see something.
Do you want an assault rifle?
Nah, no thanks. You got it.
I mean, I already have a bunch of cool guns.
Yeah, you can keep the cool guns. You can be cool guy gun person.
Cool guy gun person. Let's go.
I'm gonna make sure we have our car still. I'm too anxious about
I'll
that
follow
now.
you.
Val, something's missing here. I hate being that person. Val,
Isn't it like
we parked.
around here?
We parked back there. We parked right there, right over there.
Are you certain?
Yes. Val, we parked over there. We didn't park here.
Okay. Well,
We gotta look for a new car.
yeah, we do.
Wait, what? What's this? Fight me! Oh!
Oh, did I hit you?
I just got blindness. Oh, no!
Shit,
I'm dead!
I
I'm dead!
hit you,
I'm dead! I'm dead!
I'm sorry. Okay, it's dead.
enough,
It's
that's
dead.
enough.
It's gone. Just like take bandages or a med kit or something.
Dude, I hear shooting. I'm gonna.
I was shooting. Okay, look, I'll protect you. Just heal up. Take a med kit or something.
I'm good. You motherfucker. Wow, that was fun.
Lol. Yeah,
I'm sure no one hurt.
let's
All right.
keep an eye
We
on.
have a new goal. We have a new goal in the hardcore. We gotta get our car back.
Yeah, that's our mini goal. Get a car. Drive
Back.
it.
There seem to be a lot of brood spawning.
Yeah, it's not even like it's. Oh, behind you.
What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Behind you! Wait, there's a creature. There's a creature back there.
a creature.
Yeah.
Oh, the horde is here. Oh my god.
Oh, Val!
Wait, is there a person? Is there a person?
I think so.
Because I think I got hit
Yeah,
by a
there's-
bullet.
Yeah, there's people.
Shit.
Val,
What?
Val, I'm good. I'm on top of a car. You live, you run. Win this hardcore for me.
I'm not just gonna let you die.
Win for me. That's my request.
I
I'm gonna stay on top of this car. I'll try to live. Okay?
I'm not leaving you to die.
Ow.
Oh, I know there's grenade launchers. I really wish I had one right now.